Hi everybody, we are going to the discussions of circles, conic sections in analytical geometry. Welcome to my channel. Make sure that you go through all the results, then get into it. Best wishes. Here we observe an idea. There is a line L, one point here, one point there, and one point on. So this line divides the whole plane into three parts. One on this side, other on the other side, and then on the line. So if you take a point, it will be either on this side or on the other side or on it. It's a situation. Let us consider an example. 3x minus 4y plus 7 equal to 0 is a straight line. Now if you put 0, 0, 0, 0, you get the answer is plus 7, which is positive. If you put minus 2, 1, minus 2 and 1, the result is minus 6, minus 4 plus 7, which is minus of 3, which is negative. If you put minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, then minus 1, it is minus 3 plus 4 plus 7, it is plus 8, which is positive. If you put minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 1. If you put minus 1, 1, you see, it is minus 3, minus 4, plus 7, which is a 0. So, there are different situations where you get the sign of 3x minus 4y plus 7. The sign of this fellow, it is positive with the origin. This is the origin. Positive with minus 1, minus 1. You see they behave the same way. Same way. It is 0 with minus 1, 1. So it's a different thing. It is minus 2, 1 giving you a negative. It's a different thing. So we observe, if you draw this line, minus 1, 1 will lie on this. 0, 0 on somewhere there on the origin side, 0, 0 we say. Now minus 1 is also there because they are both positive. But this fellow minus 2, 1 is on the other side. Now this is the situation of these points. So a straight line divides the whole plane into three parts. Here points come, there points come, and on the line also points come. Here we see a circle. A point inside the circle, a point on the circle, a point outside the circle. So a situation, the whole of this plane is divided into three parts. One inside the circle, interior. Two outside the circle, exterior. And three on the circle. So, as in the case of a straight line, the whole plane is divided into three parts. Here we discuss an important idea. Yes, identically equal to ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Or, yes, identically equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now here you get terms of this type: x squared, y squared, 2xy or xy, x, y and constant. Now try to understand, if there is a point x1, y1, we can take x1, y1, 2xy can be written as x into y1 plus x1 into y. 2x is x plus x1, 2y is y plus y1. Constant is always a constant. Or you may get x1 square, y1 square, 2x1 y1, 2x1, 2y1 c. Now here this is obtained by changing both x terms. X squared means x into x. And we are changing x1 to get x1 squared. And in this situation, x squared is x into x, and you change 1x into 1. So it is x squared becomes x into x1. Similarly, 2xy is actually xy plus xy. You change y to y1, you change x to x1, you get xy1 plus x1y. Constant definitely is constant. Now observe an idea we give. S is identically equal to ax squared plus 2hxy plus by squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Now for the point x1, y1, we say S1 by changing completely x to x1, y to y1. ax1 square plus 2hx1 y1 plus by1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. T, it is x squared changes to xx1. So ax x1 plus 2hxy we write as h into 2xy, and this becomes xy1 plus x1y. Similarly, by square is y into y1. 2gx, we write g into 2x, and this 2x becomes x plus x1. Similarly, f into 2y becomes f into y plus y1. Finally, c. In circles, we consider an example. Equation of the circle passing through the intersection of x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus 14 equal to 0 and y equals x plus 2 passing through the intersection and the point 4 minus 1. Now here we observe a result. This is s equal to 0, this is l equal to 0, and this is a circle passing through the intersection. The formula is s plus lambda l equal to 0. So we consider s plus lambda l equal to 0. This is our s, this is our l, but this is not in the form of a 0 equal to 0. So this fellow we will rewrite as x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So equal to 0 is coming. Now s is x square plus y square minus 2s plus 2y minus 14 plus lambda into, this is our L, x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Now this lambda can be obtained by the point 4 minus 1. So put x equals 4, y equals minus 1. You see it is 16 plus 1 minus 8 minus 2 minus 14 plus lambda into 4 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. Or this is minus 7 plus lambda into 7 equal to 0, or lambda is 7 over 7, 1. So if you put lambda equal to 1, finally the answer comes. You put lambda equal to 1. So if lambda is 1, you see the answer comes. X square plus y square minus 2x plus x is minus x, 2y minus y is y, minus 12 plus 2 is minus 14 plus 2 is minus 12. So you see x square plus y squared minus x plus y minus 12 equal to 0 is the answer for the question. Here we consider an example. Equation of the circle passing through 3 points 3, 1, 0, 4 and minus 4, minus 3. Now we consider the general equation of the circle in the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So our problem is what is g, what is f, what is c. So there are 1, 2, 3 unknowns. So we are given 3 conditions. Now 3, 1 satisfies the circle. So you can put 3, 1, 3, 1. When you put 3, you get 6g. 1, 2f plus c This fellow is 9, this is 1. On the other side it is minus 10. So we get an equation 6g plus 2f plus c equal to 0. It is simple. G multiplied by 2x, f multiplied by 2y and c. 0, 4. Put x equals 0, y equals 4. 0, 4. You see 8f plus c equals 16. On the other side minus 16. Minus 4 minus 3. Minus 4 square 16. Minus 3 square 9. So 9 plus 16 25. On the other side it is minus 25. And you multiply here by minus 4. So minus 8. Here by minus 3. So minus 6f. Plus c is the same thing throughout. Equals minus 25. We see 1, 2, 3 unknowns and 1, 2, 3 equations you can solve. The method is elimination of the variable step by step. Now we explain only the method. Try to do this at home. There are different methods of doing the same problem which we will discuss later. Now if you subtract one equation from the other, C will go directly. Again one equation from the other, C will go directly. You get two equations in G and F which can be solved for G, F, and then finally C can be obtained by giving the values of G and F. So understand the method. Simply subtract one equation from the other. One equation from the other. You get two equations in G and F. And then solve. You get G, then you get F. And once you get G and F, put the values here, or you can put the value F here, and the C comes to you. So looking at the equations, analyze the thing. Now one point is, this equation contains only F and C. So if G can be eliminated, you see another equation will F and C come. So we can solve those equations for F and C, and finally the answer comes. So analyze the question, discuss by thinking when you explain the thing. So get the idea clearly. Here we have a circle, center O, say, and a point outside. Now PQ is a tangent. Tangent means usually 2 points of intersection. But when these 2 points coincide, you get the tangent. So tangent is a situation of the secant. This is the secant. This is the tangent. And this is a chord of the circle. Now if the chord passes through the center, it is the diameter. So here, get this. P is an external point, PQ is a tangent, PSR is a secant, AB is a chord. We observe that PSR intersects the circle at 2 points and PQ intersects the circle only at 1 point. That means the 2 points coincide. Actually this is 2 points put together. Now we have a circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, which is the general equation of a circle. We know the center of the circle is half the coefficient of x with the sign change. Half of the coefficient, 2g by 2 is g, sign change, minus g. Half the coefficient of y, sign change, minus f. And radius is root of square of minus g is g square plus root of minus f square is plus f square, then minus c. Remember, it is not plus c, it is minus c. So radius is root of g square plus f square minus c. Now we consider P is the point x1, y1. We have a tangent to PT. This is the tangent PT. C is the center minus d minus f. You have a 90-degree business here, the right angle. So we see this is the hypotenuse. PC square, you can see the result. PT squared is PC square minus AT square. PT square is PC square minus AT square. Now what is PC square? BC is a distance between 2 points. So we apply the distance formula. So distance square is difference of x, x1 minus g is x1 plus g the whole square, plus difference of y, y1 minus f, which is y1 plus f the whole square. X difference square plus y difference square is distance square. Now ct is simply radius. So square of ct is square of root of g square plus f square minus c. So that is g square plus f square minus c. Now we obtain pt squared by subtracting ct square from pc square. So pc square minus ct square, x1 plus g the square plus y1 plus f the whole square minus of g square plus f square minus c. A common mistake we have seen, when you put a minus sign, they don't put bracket. No, we have to put a bracket. Now the answer comes x1 square plus y1 square, then 2gx1 will come here, 2f(y1) will come here, plus g square will go with minus g square, plus f square will go with minus f square, and minus c will become plus c. So actually this is our S1. You remember, when you completely change x to x1, y to y1, you get S1. So pt squared is S1, or pt is root of S1. So the formula, length of the tangent from x1 y1 on the circle s equal to 0 is root of S1. A common mistake we have seen is that they will put a 0 here, which is wrong. So don't put any 0, keep as such root of S1. Now we have a question like this. Length of the tangent from minus 3 minus 4 to the circle 2s squared plus 2y squared minus 8x minus 12y plus 7 equal to 0. Now we observe that x squared coefficient is not 1. So we have to make it 1 by a division by 2. To divide by 2, get the formula for s is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 7 by 2 equal to 0. And this part is made S1. So S1 will be, take this part and put x equals minus 3, y equals minus 4. So minus 3 the whole square plus minus 4 the whole square, minus 4 into minus 3, minus 6 into minus 4 plus 7 by 2. Remember, equal to 0 is not there. So try to understand, the formula comes like this. And this can be simplified, it is 64.5. So the answer is root of S1 is root of 64.5 units. Now here we observe a situation. There is a length of the tangent, root of 64.5. So this point is outside the circle. Now, if some point here is taken, it will be a 0. If you take some point here, it will be negative. So the situation is S1 equals 0 on the circle, S1 is less than 0 inside, S1 is more than 0 outside. So if S1 is positive, it is out. S1 is 0, is on. S1 is negative, is in. So S1 positive means outside. S1 0 means it is on the circle. S1 negative means it is inside the circle. So get these ideas. Hi, all of you will be discussing more of questions in circles, ellipse, parabola and so on in detail, and in the long run we will be discussing the whole of geometry. So make sure that you understand each simple step. Each question itself is simple, provided you understand the basis. So get into the formula, apply correctly. In this question we have discussed the equation of the circle contained 2x squared, which is not in the way. So we have to make it 1x squared. Like that, think and get all these ideas in your brain. Work out similar questions from your test. Best wishes.